Hello everyone, welcome to Riya Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 11 algebraic expressions. In that exercise 11.5 third bit second problem. So third bit is verify the identity a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square geometrically by taking a equal to 2 units and b equal to 1 unit. I already explained third bit first problem in my previous video. So please watch that video in my channel. So let's start the solution for this problem. Here we are taking two squares. So first square is with sides A and second one is with side B. So let's take RHS, that is a square minus b square. So here we have to write area of the square with the sides A minus area of the square with the sides B. That means here we have to subtract this square with the sides B from the square with the sides A. So we can write area of the square with sides B. We all know the formula for area of the square, that is side into side. So we have to apply that formula now. Sorry for inconvenience. This is the picture of this problem. So this is the total square of with the sides A and the small square is sides B. So we have to subtract this B square from the A square. So the formula for area of the square is side into side. So here first we have side is A, so A into A minus in this we have sides B, so B into B. Then we get A into A is A square minus B into B is B square. So we get A square minus B square as RHS. Here we have the values for A and B, that is A equal to 2 and B equal to 1. We have to substitute. So A is 2 whole square minus B is 1 whole square. 2 2 is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 centimeter square. So we get RHS as 3 centimeter square. Now we have to do LHS. So what is LHS means? After we subtract this square with the sides B from the square with the sides A, then we get the sides like this is B and here this is A minus B from here to here, and this one is B, and this one is from here to here is A minus B. This is A, and here also this is A minus B, because the total length from here to edge is A. After we subtracting B, we get A minus B. So we can divide this figure as shape 1 and shape 2. So this is the shape 1 and this is the shape 2. Let's take LHS as area of the shape 1 plus area of the shape 2. Because when we are adding these two shapes, we get the total figure which represents the A square minus B square. So here these two shapes are in the form of rectangle. So we can write area of the rectangle 1 plus area of the rectangle 2. We all know the formula for area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So L into B plus L into B. For rectangle 1, L is A and B is A minus B. So we can write A into A minus B plus for the rectangle 2, L is B and B is A minus B. So we can write B into A minus B. So from these two terms we can take A minus B as common, then we get A plus B. So we get LHS as A minus B into A plus B. Now we have to substitute A equal to 2 and B equal to 1 in this equation. Then we get 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 3 is 3 centimeter square. So from this we can write, therefore RHS equal to LHS, that is RHS is 3 centimeter square equal to LHS is 3 centimeter square. So from this we can write A plus B into A minus B is identically equal to A square minus B square. So this is the identity which we have to verify. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post. Please keep watching my videos and keep support me.